Malaria is a disease caused by the Protists plasmodium. The main symptoms of malaria is that you have a high fever that can be fatal. Malaria is spread by mosquitoes. When mosquitoes ingest the blood of someone with the malaria disease, the blood inside the mosquito has the Protist plasmodium in it. The mosquito is now the vector because it's carrying the disease, and when it lands on somebody else and feeds on that person, the blood is then transferred into that person, giving them the pathogen plasmodium. This person now has the disease malaria, and they too will suffer the symptoms of a fever. This fever can be fatal if not treated. The treatment for malaria is firstly going to be antiviral drugs, drugs that will destroy the virus. Malaria can be prevented from spreading as well. So what you can do is destroy the breeding grounds of the mosquitoes, or you can use mosquito nets. Mosquito nets prevent mosquitoes from landing on you, therefore lowering the risk of transmission of malaria. The Plasmodium protist is going to invade your red blood cells, and inside your red blood cells, it is going to multiply and replicate. And when there's enough Plasmodium in there, it causes the red blood cells to burst. This then causes the Plasmodium protist to spread around the body and infect other cells. The protist will also invade liver cells. The liver cells will then lose their function. Chalara dieback is a fungal infection that affects trees. The Chalara dieback fungi can be spread by the air, so if the fungi comes into direct contact via air transmission, the new tree can get that disease. The symptoms of Chalara dieback on the tree is that it gets lesions. Lesions are cuts, and these lesions occur in the bark of the tree and also in the upper branches. This causes the leaves to turn black on the left, but also as you can see on the right, there are cuts in the bark. These are called lesions.